Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the unique avatar of the Admiral Fin. This is a dolphin, but using a general or army or navy, you can name it. So let's get started. Click the events banner. Click the seasonal event. So this Ravager seasonal event. So the top reward is the Admiral Fin. This is a rare, not the epic one. So what you need to do is complete the task until until the final task. So the final task will be use the Airborne class chip 3 times in Battle Royale. So mostly this task is doing Battle Royale mode, and the other rewards is if you do not craft this touch, you can get it 20 shards by completing or win 1 Battle Royale matches, and you can get Battle Pass experience 2000. And also you got the rare skin of this vehicle, parachute, airborne board. You can jump with this, and the final is Admiral Fin Avatar. So give it a try, complete the task, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.